Here we are to determine the last two digits of 2016 raised to 2017. So to determine this, the shortest way is to say 2017 divided by 5, and that gives us 403 remainder 2. We now take the last two digits of 2016, which is 16. Note that 2016 and 16, when raised to any power, will have the same last two digits. So we can now write 16 squared, which is 256. Since 56 is a number that represents the last two digits of 16 squared, then if you evaluate 2016 raised to 2017, the last two digits will also be 56, which is 5 and 6. Now, let me give an explanation from first principle now, how we come about this. So we have 16. Understand the pattern of the powers of 16. 16 squared, 16 cubed, 16 to the fourth power, 16 to the fifth power. Now, here the last two digits is 16. Here the last two digits, when you evaluate this, will be 56. The last two digits here will be 96. The last two digits here will be 36. And the last two digits here will be 76. Now, after the fifth term there, the pattern repeats itself. So if you have 16 to the sixth power, you are going to have the last two digits to be 16. For 16 to the seventh power, raised to the seventh power, you are going to have 56 as the last two digits. And if you do 16 raised to 8, you are going to have 96, and so on. Now, since we have 5 terms here, so and the pattern repeats every 5 times, so that is why we are dividing by 5. So whatever you have as the remainder, then you make it the exponent of 16 and evaluate. Whatever you get, take the last two digits, then it will correspond to that of the given problem. Now let us take, for instance, that we have 2016 raised to, let's say, 400. Here it is the same thing as saying 400 divided by 5, and that gives us 80, remainder 0. If the remainder is 0, then it means that 400 is evenly divisible by 5. So for a remainder of 0, it is going to have the same value as 16 raised to power 5. So that means the last two digits will be 76. If you evaluate this, you are going to get 76. So another example, if you do 2016 raised to 21 now, just say 21 divided by 5, that gives us 4 remainder 1. So in this case, 16 raised to 1 is 16. So if you evaluate 2016 raised to 21, you are going to get 16. So for this very particular question now, our answer is D, which is 56. So you can try this out. Now, find the last two digits of 16 raised to 34 and find the last two digits of 2016 raised to 75. So you can use the principle I have outlined here to answer it. Thank you.